What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. We are in the new house. And today, this is Pantry Wednesday because we have 3 pantries to set up. So today, we're going to be taking down some shelving in there so I can put my metal racks in there. And this is their first taste of the new pantries in the new house. So join me. It's Wednesday and let's start setting up the pantries. So this is the first of our 3 pantries. And one side of the kitchen has this oven. You can see me in there. The kitchen's a mess because I have stuff everywhere, if that gives you any idea. So this is a small pantry right in the kitchen, and it's just a single door. And when we open it up, it has these shelves in it. So I'm going to reserve this pantry for spices, oils, stuff like that, vinegars, all that kind of stuff. So this is sort of my immediate use pantry and like quick grabs. The second pantry is right off the kitchen here, and it has a double door. And this is probably supposed to be a closet. So it's similar to our other house. But what we did in that house was we took the shelving that was in there out and we put a stainless steel rack, and that's what we're going to do in this pantry as well. So we open up the doors. Currently there's a overhead like clothes rack in here with these shelves, and we're going to get these out of there and move the racks in. So the third pantry is sort of in this mud room. It is originally a laundry room, but they have another laundry room upstairs. And that's where I do most of my washing because that's where all my clothes are. So I'm converting this one into a pantry. So also in here, we have a clothes rack up here. You see the connections for the washer and dryer. So we can put a full-size rack in here, as well as I got a small 24-inch rack also to put in this space. So the very first thing is we need to get these down, and then we can put the racks in. So we're doing the former laundry room first. Yeah, so we can always convert this back to a laundry room. They put a door in here, but we'd have to take these doors off if we were gonna do that. So we're taking the bottom one out first, and then it has like a little keyhole for the top one. So as soon as we get these bottom ones out, we can just lift it up.
They did not go into a stud. That was drywall. No ink or anything. Wasn't a good place.
Oh!
What's that song we like to sing because of a movie, but we don't like to sing when we're camping? I'm free falling.
Yeah, no, that's not good. So while Eric takes that out to the garage, eventually we will fill these holes and paint inside these closets. It ain't happening right now because I can barely find my clothes. So we're doing this as a temporary to get everything set up, and eventually we will drag these back out, patch these holes, and paint in here.
Well, I mean, we're gonna take them out, but we're not gonna like do anything crazy. Because I think this thing kind of snaps on. This is held in the back with these little brackets, Phillips screws, and these are flatheads. We got the end pieces, so we have lots of stuff to get rid of.
Okay, the upper shelf is out. There was a lot of screws in there. And we're getting ready to take out these bottom ones. Again, we will be patching and painting this later. So we're gonna get these out and clean up this floor. So everything's set up. There's a couple things that I need to order though. So this is the single door pantry with the spices. I added this shelving unit, or this over the door unit that I had in the old pantry. I only have 2 of these, so I added one of these to the other pantry, and I'm going to order another one, so there's 2 in there. But that's what I did with that one so far. Pantry number 2 also has one of these, because I only have one so far. And that's gonna be on that door. And I put the rack in here. We're gonna be putting another one of those on this door. So I'm gonna get that ordered from Amazon. I'll put links down in the description to that. Oh, this door doesn't wanna stay open. But we have our stainless steel rack in here, and yeah, I'll eventually paint this. Pantry number 3 has this rack in it, which is a classic Seville Classic rack. And then there's a 24-inch rack in here to make up the extra space. And I'm gonna be installing these in my can racks. We're gonna do that probably next weekend when we start working on the pantry again. So I think it looks pretty good. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. This is the start of the new pantry at the new house. I hope you have a great week. Stay tuned as this pantry develops, because we are just getting started. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that button down there and join us on our journey to become better cooks and to set up our new kitchen. If you're not subscribed to our homesteading channel, it's Ridge Mountain Homestead over here on YouTube. I'll put a link down in the description. Have a great Wednesday and stay tuned, because we're off to the races. So, little bonus if you stayed with me until the end. This is the current state of the kitchen. Looks pretty terrible. Hey, Eric.